Hello friends, I am making this one of the little work video because I have my door over there. Whenever I unlock the door, it's bang over there. You can see the mark, and it's make some noise in my bedroom because it's a plywood door, the wall made by the plywood. So hence, to reduce the noise, or you can say the cancel the noise, I'm making it over some the like I will place this sponge over there, so whenever the lock handle it will be bang over there will be the no noise, or it will be the 5% only noise as compared to right now. I will show you over here the technique. So when we bang open this door, it's make it noise like this. After placing over this here, you can see here, I will just demonstrate you. So when open door, there is no noise, so stay tuned. So now friends, this is a super glue, this is a dishwashing sponge. I will place it over there, my friend will be assisting me. So we have to take this super glue, make sure you will put it properly like this, and then press and keep it long press for the 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's already stick over there. We will check. It's not pressing properly still. We need to wait till it's get dry. Now it's stick already. If you like the video, please give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Art, Craft and Laugh. Thank you so much.